Hey everybody, Mr. Washam here, and it is Wednesday the 11th. And so here's some quick instructions for today's assignment. So your assignment's posted in Classroom, and you're going to be working on an ed puzzle that talks about ionic and covalent bonding. But first, we go over the answer key to yesterday's work, which we are trying to see how many electrons something needs to gain or lose. This answer key has been posted for you in the email that I sent that included this video. One thing I wanted to take a look at, though, is when we look at hydrogen. So right here, hydrogen wants to gain an electron, and sometimes students are confused why it wants to gain instead of just lose. So if you look at this right here, here's hydrogen. And if hydrogen gains an extra electron, notice that it looks just like helium, which is inert. So normally hydrogen would not have this electron here. It'd only have one, right? So if it gains one more, now it looks just like helium, which is inert, and it's a noble gas. And so remember, the main objective is it's always, I want to get the outer shell full, right? So another example of that is carbon. And so carbon would normally have 4 electrons here in the outer shell, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And so carbon can either gain 4 more, 5, 6, 7, and 8, or what it could do is it could just lose all 4, and now it's back down to 2, which makes it, again, look just like helium. So that is some quick tips on the plus or minus. And again, this answer key right here is posted for you guys along with this video. All right, so when you go to Classroom, you're going to watch the ed puzzle. I have a notes template that you can follow, and the notes template is also posted. The notes template looks like this, and so here's basically what you want to take notes over while watching the video. And then you're going to complete the Ionic Bonds page. Now, if you go to Edpuzzle and for some reason you can't log in the upper right-hand corner, click on My Classes. And so some people, once you log in with Google, for some reason it doesn't take you straight to the video. So log in with Google and then click on My Classes in the upper corner, and that should get you to this video right here, Ionic versus molecular, which I'm also calling covalent. It's an interchangeable word. Once you finish that, I've got this very easy page here, this Ionic Bonds page right here, and you are basically doing these 6 examples. You're trying to bond these 6 atoms together to make a compound. And so it's just like he showed you in the video, or just like we did yesterday right here with sodium and chlorine. We drew the valence electrons for each, right? Chlorine has 7, sodium has 1. And that sodium is going to give its 1 to chlorine. So now chlorine has all 8, and sodium got rid of the 1 it needed to get rid of, and it makes NaCl. So that is what you are attempting to do on this page. Take a picture of it, turn it in, and everybody be safe. Have a great Wednesday. See ya.